Welcome back to the Felix Smart Studio. In this video, we're going to be going over how to use the in-app light sensor in the Felix Smart application. In order to get accurate results for this, you're going to need a piece of standard copy paper in order to diffuse the light coming into your phone's front camera. The first thing I'll do is head into my application and click the play button near the light meter at the top, and I can see that immediately I start getting readings based on the light in my environment entering my phone's front camera. So now I can pick up my diffuser, which I have just ripped off of a standard piece of copy paper, and I will measure some light here so that you can see the process. Now I will stick my phone directly under this, I will place my diffuser on top, and then I can tap my screen to lock in the light readings. And then I can see, oh wow, my lux was 37,000 because I placed my phone right near a very powerful light source. But typically the values will be much lower than that. And if you're unsure what PAR, lux, DLI, all of these mean, you can click the little message at the bottom of the screen there and get a description for all of those. And that is all there is to measuring light using the Felix Smart application. Let us know if you have any comments down below, and we'll see you later.